Today we will discuss how we can do drip tray cleaning and refitting. For cleaning the product, power off the water purifier and turn off the water line. Always do cleaning from outside only and do not try to open the product. Never spray water directly on the product. Do not use any water, detergent, liquid cleaners, etc. to clean the product. For cleaning, take one soft dry clean cloth and gently clean the product like this from all sides. Then gently pull the drip tray and clean like this completely. And refit the drip tray after cleaning. Clean the drip tray weekly or as required to avoid dust accumulation. So this is how you can clean your drip tray easily.